Hi everyone, I'm Subhi. Welcome to my channel Fame Maths Classes. In this video, we are going to discuss Grade 8, Chapter 2, Linear Equations, Exercise 2.4, question number 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you like this class and my channel, please do subscribe, share and press like button also. Thank you. Dear students, now we are going to discuss question number 1, exercise 2.4, grade 8, linear equations and one variable. Amina thinks of a number and she subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? So we need to find out the number what she thought of. This type problems you may be using there as a puzzles, okay? But how can we find the answer in a particular way or the correct way? What is the correct method of answering this? Okay, what is the number Amina thinks of? That we need to find. So we will consider the number Amina thinks as x. So let x be the number because we know that we need to take the unknown quantity as x. So that is let x be the number. Now what Amina did with that number, she subtracts 5 by 2 from it. From it means we need to write the number first, then subtract 5 by 2. That means it becomes x minus 5 by 2. She multiplies the result. So when she subtracts 5 by 2 from the number what she thinks of and the result she multiplied means we need to keep this result in a bracket and we need to multiply it with 8. Then what the question says? The result now obtained is 3 times the same number. So, result now obtained is, that means is equal to, is 3 times. We know 3 times means it is 3 into the same number. Number what she thought, that is x. So, we have formed an equation based on the question. That is, Amina thinks of a number. That number we took it as x and we subtracted 5 by 2. She subtracts 5 by 2 from it and the result means we need to put that in a group or in a bracket. Then multiply that result by 8 and then which is equal to 3 into x. That is, they said the result now obtained is 3 times the same number. So we multiply. That is 3 times x. Now we can, I told last class we have studied whenever you see the bracket, open the bracket with distributive property. That is 8 into x, that is 8x minus 8 into 5 by 2. So which is equal to 3x now. Cut this. 1 2s are 2 and 4 2s are 8. Now we can see this can be written as 8x minus 4 into 5. We know it is 20. Is equal to 3x. Now according to our rule, we need to bring all the x to the or the variable terms to the LHS. So we are going to bring 3x to LHS, it becomes 8x minus 3x and we need to take this minus 20 to the other side. Minus 20 to the other side means it becomes plus 20. 8x minus 3x, we know 8 minus 3 is 5. So it is 5x equal to 20. X equal to 20 divided by 5 which is equal to 4. So the number what Amina thinks of was 4. Okay. Hope all of you understood this question. If you have any doubt, please do comment. Now question number 2 from exercise 2.4 linear equations in one variable, grade 8. A positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new number becomes twice the other number. What are the numbers? So this is the question given. So have you noticed here we need to find out more than one number. That is, what are the numbers? So we found that there can be more than one number. We need to find out. Now look into the question. A positive number is 5 times another number. So we can consider one number as x. So what will be the next number? If one number is x, the next number, a positive number, is 5 times another number. 5 times means we know it is 5 into. So if one number is x, another number will be 5 times of that. That means it will be 5 into x. Suppose one number is 10. Then the other number will be 5 times 10. That means 5 into 10. 50. Is it? Now hope it's clear. So here we need to consider, let the numbers are x and 5x. Hope you understood how we got 5x. Because in the question they have given that a positive number is 5 times another number. So we took one number as x, the other number will be 5x. If 21 is added to both numbers, so we can add 21 to both the numbers. The first number will become x plus 21 and the second number will become 5x plus 21. Then if you do so, what will happen? They are saying that then one of the new number becomes twice the other number. One of the new number becomes twice the other number. So there we need to be little careful. Look here. This first number is x plus 21 and second number is 5x plus 21. Which number will be greater number? X plus 21 or 5x plus 21? Yes, of course it is 5x plus 21. So we need to consider this 5x plus 21 will become twice the other number. So that point is very important and you need to understand that carefully. So we need to take 5x plus 21 is equal to twice the other number, means 2 times. 2 times you can write it as 2 into bracket x plus 1, 21. Because here more than 2 terms are there. If more than 2 terms are there, you need to put them in a bracket. So children, hope you understood why we took this 5x plus 21 is equal to this one. Because 5x plus 21 is greater than x plus 21. Okay. So quite naturally, bigger number is twice times the smaller number. Okay. That is the reason. So we can use the distributive property to open bracket. Here 2 into x, 2x. Then we need to put plus sign. Then 2 into 21. So here we can write 2x plus 2 into 21 is 42. So 5x plus 21. And now we can apply the rule, that is bring all the variables to the LHS and take all the constants to the RHS. Always remember the rule. 5x, so here it is positive 2x. We are going to take it to the left hand side. It becomes minus 2x. And 42 minus 21. So plus 21, I took it to the right side and before taking it, I kept 42 there. Okay. So it is 42 minus 21. So 5x minus 2x, we know it will be 3x equal to 42 minus 21 is 21. X equal to 21 divided by 3, which is equal to 7. So we got the first number as 7, and so we can say what will be the other number? First number is 7, the second number will be 5x, that is 5 into 7, 35. So the numbers are 5, 7 and 35 here. Children, hope you understood this problem very well, and if you have any doubt, don't hesitate to comment. Okay, thank you. Here, think about this question. Sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9, and when we interchange the digits as found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the two-digit number? So, first of all, we need to think about a two-digit number. So, I'm just writing any two-digit number, let it be 27. We know that 27 can be written as 20 plus 7. That means 10 into 2 plus 7. Okay, take any other number, 56. How can you write it as 50 plus 7? Because 50 means it's a place value. 5 is in the tens place. So, it is 5 turned into 5 plus 7. Okay, sorry, 6. So, this is the way we can form a two-digit number. Or this is the basic format of a two-digit number. So, you can see that it will be always turned into the digit in the tens place plus the digit in the ones place. So, we can generalize this by suppose this is the xy is the two-digit number. We can generally we can say that 10 into x plus y. So, this we take it as the original number. You can keep this as a formula or whatever it is in your mind. Always remember that the format of a two-digit number is 10x plus y. Okay. So, here now we can think about the question. Sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. So, suppose the first digit or digit in the tens place is x. Therefore, digit in the ones place will be what? 9 minus x. Why I took it as 9 minus x? How I got it? Listen. So, when you add the two numbers, 1, 8, okay? So, we know that the two digits when you add, you will get 9. Clear? And here we took the digit in the tens place. So, tens place, this digit we took it as x. And we know that we don't know what comes here. And we know that sum of these two is 9. So, the digit what comes here will be 9 minus x. Hope it's clear to you because we can bring this to this side 9 minus 6. Because according to the question, they said the sum of the digits in the two-digit number is 9. So, first tens place digit I took it as x and ones place it is 9 minus x. Then, now we can form this original number. So, what will be the original number? I told you to remember the format of original number. 10x plus, it will be y. Okay. 10x means actually what is it? X is in the tens place. That same thing we took. And what comes in according to our question, it is digit in the ones place is 9 minus x. Now we can solve this. 10x minus x, it is 9x plus 9. That is the original number. We got it here. Now they say that when we interchange the digits, that means first we discussed it is 18 and interchange the digit means the digit in the ones place will go to tens place and digit in the tens place will go to ones place. So this will become 81. Understood? 18. When we interchange the digits, we will get 81. Suppose 27. When we interchange, we will get 72. Like that. Okay. So now we can think about the reversed number or the number interchanged. We know that what will come in the tens place? 10 into, instead of x, 9 minus x will come there and x will go to ones place. So you will get here, opening the bracket, 90 minus 10x plus x. So it is here minus 10x plus x. We know that it is minus 9x. So we got here original number is 9x plus 9 and reverse number is 90 minus 9x. Once you got these two, then it is very easy, children. Look into the question. When we interchange the digits, as found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. So the new number is reverse number. So I am writing that 90 minus 9x, which is equal to, it is greater than the original number by 27. That means original number plus 27. It is greater than the original number by 27. Means it is original number plus 27. Our original number is 9x plus 9 plus 27. How we form the equation? It is clear. Then, as usual, how we are doing, we can now bring all the variables to the x left hand side, take this to the 90 to the other side. So this become 9 plus 27 minus 90. This will become minus 18x and we can solve this side. It is 27 plus 9. All of you know that it is 36. And 90 minus 36. So we got 54. It is minus 54. Now we can find x equal to minus 54 divided by minus 18. Children, we got here it is 3. So the value of x is 3. Or the digit in the tens place is 3 we got. And what will be the digit in the ones place? It is quite naturally 9 minus 3, 6. Therefore, the number is, original number is 36 and reverse number is 63. See, check. When you add 3 plus 6, you got 9 and 6 plus 3, that is also 9. Hope this is very clear to you, children. And these are very important questions. Study well. Now, question number 4. One of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits of the two-digit numbers and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? That is a question. Same type question of question number 3. One of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. So we can take digit in the tens place as x. Okay, let it be x. Then digit in the ones place is, what will be digit in the ones place? The relation between them is one digit is 3 times the other digit. Okay, so I'm taking that as 3 times x. You agree? Hope it's clear. And now we know what is the format of original number that we can write. Original number is equal to, you remember, it is 10x plus y, that is 10 into this digit in the ones place plus digit in the tens place plus digit in the ones place. Here we got 10x plus 3x. So it will be 13x. Now we need to take the reverse number. Reverse number, you know that first we need to bring this 3x here and keep x as x. So it is 3 into 10, 30x plus x. So it is 31x. And if you interchange the digits of the two digits and add the resulting number to the original number. So here the reverse number and original number, if you add, you are going to get, it is 88. So we can just add 13x plus 31x equal to 88. So we can find it is 44x equal to 88 and x equal to 88 divided by 44, that is 2. We got x value as 2, and so you can find what will be, if this is x is 2, then what will be this? 3 2s are 6. Therefore, numbers are, original numbers can be, it is 2 and 6, 26, or reverse number can be, it is 62. Hope it's clear, children. Practice more problems of the same kind.